Welcome to MQL Robot EAS. In this video, we will explore the AO Momentum Trader EA, a trading robot built on the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor is designed to capture strong price momentum using the Awesome Oscillator indicator combined with candle body confirmation. The main idea behind this EA is to identify bullish or bearish momentum shifts and open trades accordingly. For a buy trade, the EA checks if the current candle is bullish and confirms that the Awesome Oscillator values are increasing across multiple periods. When these conditions align, a buy order is executed. For a sell trade, the process is reversed. The EA looks for bearish candles and confirmation that the Awesome Oscillator values are decreasing across multiple points in time. Once confirmed, the EA places a sell order. The strategy includes several configurable parameters, such as lot size for position sizing, candle body pips filter for momentum confirmation, stop loss pips to control downside risk, take profit pips for secure exits. This combination of candlestick analysis and the Awesome Oscillator helps the EA avoid false signals and focus on trades that show real market momentum. It's important to note that this EA, like all trading robots, is not a guaranteed profit tool. It is a trading system that depends on market conditions, strategy settings, and risk management. Traders should always test different configurations to find the most suitable balance between risk and reward. A very important reminder, before running this EA on a live account, make sure you fully understand the trading strategy, the potential risks, and always perform backtests with 99.9% tick data. This will help you evaluate how the EA performs under real market conditions and different timeframes. If you would like to learn more about the AO Momentum Trader EA, you can find the full product details on our official website, mqlrobot.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to MQL Robot EAS for more tutorials and builds on no-code Forex EA development with FXdreema.